Hello students, in today's class we will see the problem on rank of a matrix. The problem is find the rank of the matrix A is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1. Second row 1 2 3 minus 1. Third row 1 0 1 1. Fourth row 0 1 1 minus 1. The solution of this problem we'll see now.
Hello students, we'll see a problem on finding the rank of the matrix. The question is, find the rank of matrix B equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 2 3 minus 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 minus 1. So the given matrix will take as it is. So solution, the given matrix is B equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 2 3 minus 1 1 0 1 1 and last row is 0 1 1 minus 1. So you can see here this is row 1 row 2 row 3 row 4, 4 rows 1 2 3 4. So 4 rows and 4 columns are there. It is a square matrix and you can see that 2 2 1 minus 1 are what here diagonal elements, so that we can make what here this element. So we have to make this element 0, this element 0, this. So but I can say that the first row first element is not 1, so therefore first will make what here this row. So we can interchange first and second row or any other row so that it will be easy. So what I will do here, on interchanging the rows, what here R1 will interchange with what here R2. This is a symbol of what here interchanging, means R1 will become R1 will become R2, R2 will become R1 on interchanging this row with this. So therefore what happens, so matrix B will become what here, second row will become first, that is 1 2 3 minus 1, and second row will become first row will become second, that is 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1, and third and fourth as it is 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 minus 1. So only first and second will be interchanged, remaining rows will become as it is. Now this will be considered as row 1, row 2, row 3 and row 4. Now we will make this row, this element will become what here 0 to become what here Ecknall's form. So therefore the formula is, on R2 minus, to make this 2 here we need to multiply 2 and we'll assume that, so 2 times R1, it will become what here 2 times R1. This is the formula. So therefore matrix B will become first row as it is 1 2 3 minus 1. So R2, that is 2 minus 2 times 1, so 2 minus 2 is 0, then minus 1 minus 2 2s are 4, minus 1 minus 4, it will become minus 5. Hope you got this point. Then minus 3, okay, here minus 3 will come, minus 3 minus 2 into 3, it will become 6, minus 3 minus 6, it will become minus 9. Next, minus 1 into minus minus plus, 2 into 1 is 2, so minus 1 plus 2, it will become 1. This is the second row. So once we got this element, we have made 0. So next target is we need to make this element 0. So this belongs to row 3. So we need to write a formula on R3. So this is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 directly. So R3 minus R1. So to make this 0, we need to subtract with R1 only with a non-zero element. So here non-zero element is not required. Here we have taken non-zero element 2, but here not required here. So therefore R3 minus R1. So that is 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Fine. Then 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 1 minus of this minus will become plus. So 1 minus of minus is plus. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is row 3 is completed. Next, row 4 already is 0. So write as it is 0, 1, 1, minus 1. So you can see that these all element we have made 0. So this is the diagonal element 1, minus 5, 2 and minus 1. Now we have to make this element 0. So this element belongs to what here? Row number 3. So therefore R3 on R3, to make this element 0, we need to operate on this with any other element, not with row number 1. So row number 1 you leave it, because if you apply with row number 1, this what element you have made 0 again will get number, so which is wrong. So once we have made these elements 0, you forget about row 1, means only we need to copy in all the steps. Now this element, either we have to use row number 2 or row number 3 to make what here, this place 0. To make this place 0, I will write a formula as on R3. So R3 plus R3 plus, so I will take R4, 2 times R4. R3 plus 2 times, so R3 is 2 and R4 is, so if you multiply 2 to this, in your mind only you need to multiply. So 2 plus minus 2 plus 2, it will become, this element will become 0. So therefore you just observe here. So matrix B will become, so first row as it is 1, 2, 3, minus 1 as it is, then 0, minus 5, minus 9, 1, second row also as it is, and third row we need to operate. So therefore what is R3? So R3 on R3, so what we'll do here, R3 is 0 plus 0 into this, so therefore it will become 0 only. Then minus 2 plus 2 times R4, so 2 minus 2 plus 2 will become 0. Then minus 2 plus 2 times, it will become again 0. Next 2 plus 2, plus into minus is minus, so 2 into 2 is 2, so 2 minus 2, this also become what here, 0. So this all element becomes 0, and we have left with again what here, so this element I will copy as it is, 0, 1, 1, minus 1 as it is. Again, because this is a diagonal element, 1, minus 5, 0, minus 1, so we need to make 1, this and this also 0 now. Next we need to make this element 0. Okay, so while making 0, be careful. So this is belongs to row number 4. On row number 4, so to make 0, so we cannot use row 3 because all elements are 0, so we need to use row number 2 only. So to make this place 0, so on R4 we need to multiply 5, so 5 times R4 plus R3. 5 times R4 means 5 into 1 is 5 plus this is R2. Fine. 5 times R4 plus R2. So R2 is minus. So plus into minus is minus, plus 5 minus 5 0. So therefore, so elements of matrix B will be 1 2 3 minus 1 0 minus 5 minus 9 1. Third row is completely 0 as it is. We are operating only on row number 4. So therefore 0 0, it will become 0. Then 5 times, so we need to multiply in our mind this row completely 5. So 5 times are 4. So 5 plus into minus is minus, 5 plus 5 minus 5 0 5. Okay, so 5 times r4, that is 5, plus into minus is minus, 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Then 5 into r4, it will become minus 5, plus 1, it will become what here again, minus 4. So once we got, so again next we need to make this element 0, because diagonal elements are 1 5 0 minus 4. Below this diagonal element we have to make all elements 0, that is Equinox form. So therefore again on R4 we need to apply the formula so that it will be easy. So I will write on R4, so we cross multiply the same elements. So 9 times R4 minus, this is R4, minus 4 times R2. Okay, so if you multiply, so the resultant will be, if you operate 1 2 3 minus 1 0 minus 5 minus 9 1 as it is, 0 0 0 0 up to third row we need to copy as it is. Then 9 times R4, so I will take a calculator better for the calculation. Then I will use it. This you just see here, this formula I will prepare. R4 I will take as X, R2 as Y. So I will prepare the formula on the screen. Use alpha, sorry, first I will write what here, 9 times R4, that is 9 into alpha of X, R4 I am taking as X here, minus 4 times R2, 4 times R2 I will consider as Y. So 9 times R4, 4 times R2, this formula. So R4 is nothing but X and R2 is nothing but Y. So calc option, it will ask the X value now here. So what is X value from the this one on the table? So this is our X values, 0 0 equal to, this is also 0 0. So answer is what here, X is 0, Y is also 0, so it will be 0. So we'll write here 0. X is next again equal to sign, it will ask the value of X. X is 0, Y is minus 5. So we're getting how much here, 20. Next value is X is minus 4 and Y is minus 9. You can see the answer is 0. Our target is to make this element 0, so we got 0. Next what here, so minus X is minus 4, Y is 1. X is minus 4, Y is 1. So how much we got, minus 40. See, one thing you have observed here, so while making this element 0, we have made 0, but we got again number. So therefore so this is not going to be reduced completely. So there you can see that how many rows having elements here. First row having all elements, means means here all elements are there. Second row also having element, but third row having no element, that is all are 0. But fourth row having what here, element. So therefore rank of matrix B is nothing but 1 2 3, it is 3. So we have tried to make 0, we have made 0, but while making 0 again we got numbers here which are already 0, again number came. So therefore we'll stop here and we'll say that rank of the matrix is what here, B. So in this way we need to find the rank of the matrix here.